Do you like to be on time?
Yes, I like to be on time. Like if there is any work, for example, we can take a wedding ceremony. So there are many people there, and we if we got late or we reached at a deadline at a end time,
Right.
so we can miss many things like the
Ice creams.
like ice cream. It's related to foods, but
Okay,
if
right.
we say like many of our relatives went from there from the ceremony.
Okay. Don't say went. Go. Just they go away from there. They are not there. Right. We are not able to meet our relatives.
So yeah, the point is that we're not able to meet them as they go from the after having their dinner. They go from the.
The first thing for clarity here, in the number of the several marriages in India right now, that people are not on time. Just think about it. The card, wedding card, it mentioned that 7:30 p.m. the wedding starts. But if you happen to go mistakenly at that time, 7:30, you will find the workers are decorating, right? So if you reach at 9:30, when the wedding starts, when the wedding ends, actually the wedding starts at that time. So actually we are not being punctual here.